If you're thinking about buying a stay at the Grand Hotel Villa Balbi, there are a few things you need to know before making that decision. Stick around because I'll break down 7 crucial points that could save you both time and money and help you make an informed choice. Next thing, you'll want to understand the property's location. The Grand Hotel Villa Balbi offers a stunning view of the Mediterranean Sea, and it's surrounded by beautiful gardens. What sets it apart from other hotels is its blend of modern luxury with historical charm. You're not just getting a place to sleep, you're getting an experience. But compared to other top-tier hotels in the area, it's worth asking whether you're really getting value for money, especially when some competitors offer similar amenities at a lower price. The fourth thing you'll want to know is the variety of rooms and what they offer. At Grand Hotel Villa Balbi, they have options ranging from simple yet elegant rooms to luxurious suites. Some suites come with terraces that overlook the sea, which can be a real highlight if you're looking for that perfect vacation moment. However, in comparison to nearby luxury hotels, like the Grand Hotel Miramare, you might find a similar price point, but with slightly larger rooms and a more extensive list of amenities. Next thing to keep in mind, customer service. The staff at Grand Hotel Villa Balbi is often praised for their attentiveness and professionalism. It's one of the things they do right, making you feel comfortable and cared for throughout your stay. But while they excel in this area, if you're someone who needs an ultra-modern, tech-forward hotel experience, there are other options around that might better suit those needs. Hotels like the Four Seasons in Milan have a more high-tech approach with smart room controls and app-based services. The fifth thing you'll need to consider is the price. While the Grand Hotel Villa Balbi is certainly on the pricier side, especially during peak seasons, you do get access to unique amenities. Some of these include a private beach and a high-quality restaurant that's known for its Italian cuisine. But, comparing it to the competition, you might find that some newer boutique hotels offer comparable services at a lower price, especially if you're willing to book a little in advance. Next, let's talk about activities and things to do. The hotel's close proximity to the beach means it's a great spot for water activities like sailing and windsurfing, or simply lounging by the sea. If you're into exploring, the region has plenty of historical sites and beautiful natural parks to visit. But keep in mind, if you're looking for a hotel with tons of in-house activities, you might be better off checking out other resorts that offer more extensive entertainment options. Another crucial point is the dining experience. The food at Grand Hotel Villa Balbi is highly rated for its fresh local produce and Italian delicacies. That being said, the food can be a bit more expensive compared to dining at more casual spots in the area. Some other hotels in the region might offer all-inclusive packages that include food, which could be a better deal if you're planning on spending a lot of time at the hotel. And the final thing to note, the overall atmosphere. Grand Hotel Villa Balbi is perfect for travelers looking for a quieter, more peaceful experience. It's a great place for couples or people looking to unwind. But if you're someone who enjoys a more vibrant nightlife or bustling atmosphere, there are other hotels nearby that cater more to that type of energy. If you're thinking about staying at Grand Hotel Villa Balbi, make sure you get the best deal. You can try it completely free from the first link in the description below. This exclusive offer can help you get the best experience at a great price. Don't miss out. Click the link now and see for yourself.